The first mode we'll look at is auto scan. What does that mean? It means that during this scan, we can't stop the device. Instead, it carries out the whole survey automatically. There's the full 360-degree scan. As soon as I start it, the device resets to 0. To find the 0 point, it does an initial calibration spin. After that, as you'll see, the 2D scanner launches straight into a full 360-degree scan, all the way around. This scan, as you can see, shows us in real time. If you look at the app, it shows us in real time what's happening and what it's capturing. As we'll see later on, during the scan, we can increase the step. For example, if I set +4, the step goes up and the scanner starts moving faster, meaning it skips 3 points, taking 1 point every 4. That way it goes faster. +4, +10, +1. I can raise it however I like, and right here at step 5, I can read where I've got to. Watch, if I raise the step by 4, it jumps, +4, so it went from 5 to 9. And so the scanner keeps working, skipping a whole series of points. That is, measuring 1 point every 9, always showing me in the app, in real time, what it's capturing. For instance, now that I'm reaching an area with detail, I switch it straight back to step 1. Look at the 2D scanner. Now it gives me the maximum resolution, the maximum detail. Once I finish this scan, the automatic one, let's call it, the full 360 degrees, it prompts me to save. So I can save it. Give the file a name here, test. Test 1, right? And I tap OK. As soon as it saves the file, it also asks me whether I want to send this file. It's a good idea to send it, in other words, to share it. Still within AutoScan, we find a second simple scanning mode. Let's call it that, which is called partial scan. What does partial scan let us do? It lets us set a start point and an end point for our survey, and then the scanner starts and works only within the range we've defined. For example, if we look at the pointer, I move it up to, let's say, the edge of this column, this pillar, there we go. And you see the start marker has moved over here, and I set it here as the starting corner. And it turns red. Then I can move the pointer to the end point. And I can do it either by pressing the movement buttons or by tapping directly on the angle ring. So I could do it this way too, and it moves automatically to match the angle I've set right here. I don't like it. I go back a little. So, for example, I place it here. The scanner will move to the new position I set with my finger. If I set this point as the ending corner, it turns red. And the moment I start the partial scan, with the partial scan button, the scanner moves to the start point and begins scanning all the way to the end point. And in this case, too, I'm able to change the step during the scan. And in this case as well, everything that's captured appears in real time in our app. These two scans we've just seen aren't used very often. They're meant for people with very little surveying experience who just want to take a measurement of a specific space. Because it's the simplest way with no options to worry about.